Hey, I'm out here at Inks Lake State Park, just an hour outside of Austin. And when I arrived, I did a little bit of unpacking and I turned on the camera. Had a little bit of music in the background. And I just wanted to share these clips with you. I think hopefully they'll inspire you to find the humor in your life and in yourself. And I want you to hang on to the end. I've got a message for you. I'm not going to repeat it here, but I do have something I want to say to you, and just watch to the end. Just take the time. It'll be fun. It'll be fun. I promise you enjoy yourself, and hopefully there'll be something you need to hear at the end. All right. I love you. Here you go.
I'm sorry, but I'm just thinking of the right words to say. I know they don't sound the way I planned to be. If you wait around, I will make you fall for me. I promise you, I promise. I'm sorry, but I'm just thinking of the right words to say. I know they don't sound the way I planned them to be. But if I had to walk the world, make you fall for me, I promise you, I will. Cleaning out the darkest corner of my mind, taking all my full circle, making straight lines, getting to the bottom of the bottom, getting to me. I've been holding up the mirrors of everything I don't want to see, but it ain't all flowers. Sometimes you gotta feel the thorn. When you play with the devil, you know you're gonna get to home. Been dancing with the demons all my life. Every time I find my groove, they cut in like a knife. Been a sin eater, Lord, since the day I was born. Tired of feeling weighed down from carrying around all the pain that keeps me torn. So I pray and lay me down to die. Grab a glass of wine and a seat to dine, and go ahead and eat the whole damn pie. Whoa.
All right, so that was fun. That was me unpacking. And believe me, I was actually a little reserved. I am a lot more goofy in private than in public, and I'm trying to correct that. So I'm here. I have unpacked. I've got the The electricity is hooked up. I have water. I'm unpacked. Did I say that? Let's see. The RV is leveled. I'm here for the next few days. Just killed the music there. I'm here for the next few days. I'm here till Friday morning, which on Friday morning that's perfect because on Friday evening I have set myself up with a photography lecture. There's an instructor coming in and giving a talk, and then this weekend I'm actually doing a series of photography classes, lectures through my local camera shop. So if you haven't explored that, if you haven't looked into your local camera shop, see what they have to offer. See if they have any local groups. See if they have any classes that they can offer. You'd be surprised, even with your phone these days, right? Even with your smartphone, you can go out and shoot some amazing shots. And what it does is it really kind of puts you into a space where you're the observer. You just are observing their things. Everything from the Capitol building down in downtown Austin down to a bluebonnet, right? The blooms on a bluebonnet. You can, the bug on the bluebonnet. You can take note of whatever is around you and capture an image of it. And it really helps us to slow down. It helps us to be present. It helps us to observe without labeling, judging, or assigning meaning to anything, just to be able to observe it for what it is. So that's what I'm doing this weekend. Almost got on a tangent there. That's what I'm doing this weekend. And in the meantime, I'm here at Inks Lake State Park, just outside of Austin, an hour outside of Austin. It was with a state park pass for 4 days, 4 nights. It is like $85, $86. So I can come out here, I can be at the lake. I have good cell service out here. I can relax, I can read, I can focus, I can do coaching calls, I can stare at the lake, I can enjoy a beverage. I've got plenty of cooking implements here. My dietary requirements are not that extreme. I can pretty much eat anything. And I'm just going to be out here for the next 4 nights, just kind of enjoying myself. And I've told my family that they can come join me. My wife, is already envious. She's already eyeballing coming out here. And my son, who works from home, who's 23, I told him, he's more than welcome to come out here and just come out to the lake and have an evening and then go home. I mean, it's not that. It's an hour out here, an hour home, and he could spend a couple of hours here. It'd be well worth the time. So that sort of thing. And of course, my daughter is welcome out here too. She doesn't drive. Reason I don't include her in the list, but she can come out here with her brother. She can come out here with her mother, hang out. So this is one of those moments of leading yourself first. I'm going hiking on Saturday morning. If you want to join me, meet me at the trailhead at 9 o'clock. That's the example that I always give to guys. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm leading myself first. I'm coming out here, I'm spending the week doing what I want to do, leaving the door open for anyone who wants to join me, but that's really not the point. I'm not doing it in a punitive way. I'm not doing it in a little boy energy of, I want to take my ball and go home. I'm actually doing this for me because I find that when things get too comfortable, I get antsy. And so I wanted to come out here and mix it up. Maybe go hiking, do some videos, do some reading, and just be out of my normal everyday space so that when I go home, I can appreciate my space and I can spend time with my family and I can really enjoy what I have rather than just taking it for granted all the time. So if you haven't gotten out, if you're not doing something, if you're not going camping, if you're not going hiking, if you're not getting out on the weekends, if you're just sitting around being upset about your life, it's time to take ownership. It's time to take ownership of your happiness. It's time to decide for yourself what will feed you, what will recharge your batteries, what will renew your spirit, what will make you happy. And go do it. Go do it, because guess what? When you are when you give yourself permission to be yourself, you give others permission to be themselves. So incredibly true. So get out there and make yourself happy. I love you, brother. Bye.